Well, I started to dig it up, and man, that dirt was hard. But I took a hatchet to it. It was rusted enough that it didn't take much effort. But it's empty. It's just dirt. There's like crickets down there. But I figured out what it was. You'll notice right there, dirt is missing, and there's a hole on the side of it. And most likely they ran a pipe through there, and that was a rain catchment, a cistern as it is. Because, again, I forgot when I cleared this out when we first got here. There was construction debris, 2x4s, and some like fiberglass panels. I thought it was just a trash pile, but I think she had a greenhouse sheds, and they might have not that one. That one we moved in. They might have ran pipes over to this to catch the water, I guess, unless somebody else has any ideas.